AIRBUS presents this Airbus AS355NP, serial number 5780. The AS355NP comes from Airbus A-Star family of single-engine, light multi-mission utility helicopters that have an active fleet of more than 3,000 units still in operation. The NP is the latest twin-star variant, powered by twin Safran Arias 1A1 engines, offering full authority digital engine control (FADEC) with a new main gearbox, increasing maximum takeoff weight to 2,800 kilos, or a useful load of over 1,000 kilos. The fuselage integrates cabin, main rotor fitted with 3 composite blades, low skid landing gear and tail boom section. The high-performance rotors provide the helicopter with high maneuverability, even in confined spaces, and maximum safety in urban environments. The AS355NP has a maximum service ceiling of over 6,000 meters and can climb at a rate of 10 meters per second, with a maximum speed of 278 kilometers per hour and a maximum range of 776 kilometers, or over 4.5 hours of endurance. Serial number 5780 was manufactured in 2010 and is currently operated in Sabadell, Spain, close to Barcelona. Its wide, unobstructed cabin features a 6-seat utility layout with high-back, energy-absorbing seats, a flat floor and outstanding visibility. The cockpit is single-pilot, day and night VFR certified, equipped with a vehicle and engine multifunction display, which enables pilots to see at a glance the main vehicle and engine parameters on a dual LCD screen. Dual-controlled instrumentation is coupled with a Garmin GNS 430W multifunction display and a Garmin GTX 330 Mode S transponder. Airbus helicopter AS355NP, serial number 5780, presented by AIRBUS.